How to redeem RBC Aviation points. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can redeem your points on RBC Aviation. Now for this to work, all I have to do at first is to create a separate account that's only be or exclusively for your aviation rewards points only. To do so, just simply go into aviationrewards.com's official site, which is here. And then once you're here, just simply click this option that says redeem. Now, choose on join now, and then you will be redirected into these two options. You can log in either with your online banking via the RBC, but it is much better to have it separately on a different account. Choose this option here to become a member, follow on-screen prompts, and then your points will automatically reflect on your end. And then this is where you can redeem those. Click this here and then choose the designated option if it is for online banking or for credit cards, and then you will have a lot of options to use the points that you redeem. And that's how you redeem RBC Aviation points.